BOKE EasySet programming software usage tutorial. First, enter the BOKE official website. Hover the mouse pointer over Product. Click EasySet Programming Suite. Scroll down the page. Click on Windows to download. Scroll down the page. You can choose to download directly from the Android app, from the Apple Store, or from the Google Play Store. Open the BOKE EasySet programming software. Click Import Configuration. Click OK. Wait for a moment to download the configuration file of the drive. Click All. Read. Wait for the reading to complete, then the parameters of the drive configuration file can be read. The device information table can view basic information such as model, device type, input parameter, etc. The product information table contains the manufacturing information of the driver, such as product getting, production place, production date, etc. Adjust output current. Modify the output current of the driver. In programming mode, the maximum or minimum current output and their fine-tuning can be adjusted. Push dim. Set the dimming parameters for push function. Enable push dim. The power on level can be selected as keep off, keep on, or memory. Can set push on or push off fade time, long press or short press time threshold, etc. Hot plug protected. Set the hot plug protection function parameters in the normal operation of the driver. The driver will automatically turn off the output when it is disconnected, that the output is disconnected from the LED. Constant light output. Set the light attenuation compensation parameters. By continuously increasing the output current of the driver to compensate for the decline in LED luminance efficiency, so as to maintain a constant lumen output. Enable constant light output. The expected lifetime of the light. Record the hours that the light has been working. Output current before driver starts compensation. Compensation method can be either curve offset or linear offset. When selecting curve offset, need to set the time and output current level for each node from T10 to T1. Parameters can be set according to requirements. Corridor dim. Set corridor dim function parameters. When someone enters the area, the light will be adjusted to the required brightness, and after people leave the area, the brightness will gradually dim or completely turn off. You can set the relevant brightness level and duration of the area when there are people and when there are no people. DC emergency lighting. Set the emergency function parameters of the driver in the case of DC input. EL mode can be selected as normal or derating. Fixed output level that can be set in derating mode. Power on fading. When the drive is powered on, it will gradually adjust from the minimum level to the set level at the time specified in the fade time. Run time. The time the driver has been running. Dolly address can set the short address of the driver and join up to 16 groups at most. Door parameters. Basic dolly parameters can be set, such as fade rate, fade time, extended fade time base or unit, etc. Dolly scene can set drivers to add up to 16 scenes. The brightness of each scene can be set separately. Click on the right button at the bottom left corner. Click OK. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Write successful. More product information can be found on the BOKE official website.